Hi, this is Gina at McPherson's, and I'm going to show you a quick little video about what it looks like to log into the portal.
This is the portal landing page. To register for the portal, the first thing that we'll do is hit Create Login. In order to register for the portal, the owner should have their account number and the email address that is on file in Calibre Desktop.
So the account number would be the account number mailed out on your coupons the week of May 22nd. And the email would be the email that we have on file for you at McPherson's.
If the person registering for the portal is part of a couple, we'll allow you to select the appropriate person from the list. If the email address is not on file in Calibre Desktop, you'll be prompted to add the unit address information as the workaround, as long as the checkbox is checked at the master settings that we saw. Once we're finished, we'll hit Submit Registration. You will receive an email containing a link to create your login and password shortly. In your inbox, you'll find the email has arrived with a link. You'll click the link, which will bring you to another landing page. This is where you will set up your login credentials.
You'll want to enter a username that has at least 6 characters and a password that has at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 number. These special characters also can be used. Once you submit that, you'll be redirected to the login page where you can log in with the credentials that you have just created.